So yes, we are live. I'm hope. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? I just want to make sure everything is working well. This is Sales Monday. Yeah. So do you hear me well? Good. So okay, guys, welcome to Sales Monday. I haven't been here in a little while. This quarantine made me so busy, and it's not an excuse. I'll make sure I'm here every Sales Monday, sharing tips and tricks and strategy just for you guys. And I hope you use them and apply them into your fitness business, your nutrition business, so you can start to see results as fast as possible. So, guys, welcome to Sales Monday. And today, before I start, I want to, what, I'll put the link after this video. I want you to go to fitnessbusinessacademy.net, and I have some freebies for you to check out that will help you actually propel your fitness business, and the information is absolutely free. Go there right now, check it out. Also, I'll leave a link just to show you exactly how to get clients during this pandemic, this COVID-19 pandemic. Even if nobody knows who you are, I'll put the link on for you. I just want you to click it, download it, and apply it. I'll be talking about it from within next Sales Monday as well, and during the course of the week. So go ahead and get that before I forget about it. So yes, guys, for the ones who know me as yet, my name is Joel Levier, and I love everything fitness business, and I love to help other fitness professionals just like you. I'm no different from you. I'm a personal trainer in the trenches, just like you. I just figure out a simple step-by-step formula that have been working for me for quite some time, and I just want to pass on the information to you as well. So today in Sales Monday, I want to talk about three things that hopefully when you apply it, you can start to see some results. We're talking about sales, and sales is something that most fitness professional and nutrition coaches, they dread. They run away from it across like a vampire. They don't like it too much. They find it's too aggressive if they ask for money. But it's something we need to address. We need to address the elephant in the room, sales. We need to address it. Sales is not as hard as you may think. It's not. It's all up here in your mind. So let's get that out of the way. So what I'm going to show you today is something I've been working on, and it worked for me all this time. These strategies and much more, and I'm just sharing them bits by bits, small chunks, so you can absorb it. Because if I give you too much, you might think it's overwhelming, and I don't want it to be overwhelming for you at all. So let's talk about three different strategies, and I just quick put a jot down so I can remember, because I sometimes could talk on and on and on and on. So the first one is what I believe, and what is something work for me is you need for you to close more sales, get more sales, especially in this time period. Number one thing you should do is create more content. You're like, what? Create content? What content? What style of content? Should I do videos? Should I do written PDF? Should I do what a podcast? Whatever you choose to do, you need to create content. Find whatever you feel comfortable with. Some people love to write. Some people love to just talk from their gut, and some people love light camera action. So choose which platform, or which I should say method you want to deliver these content by. Why content? Because more you create content, is more people perceive you as an expert knowing your stuff. So they'll start to slowly start to trust you. And that's what you need. Trust. There's so much misleading information out there. People are kind of skeptical about all these so-called claims of you'll help them lose weight and or gain weight or whatever the promises you're promising them. So you need to build trust. So create more content. And you could start to see or start to build a small tribe, and that tribe will continue building bigger and bigger within just 30 days. So just imagine you started at the beginning of the quarantine to now. you would have a flockload of people wanting to do business with you already, but you just creating content. So you may ask, what type of content, what topics, and all these other questions going on in your head. And that's normal. That's absolutely normal. How you should address content is address their dire problem, the issues that they're struggling with right now. What it is. Is it weight loss? Is it underlying issues or problems they might be struggling with that they want to secure themselves in case they might be encountered with someone with COVID or something? What it is. So you address these problems that they're asking right now. And how could you find these questions? You could find them on forums, groups. They're all over the place. There's so much different places you could find where people are telling you exactly what's on their mind, question that they have in their head. For example, there's one group I went to and I found many people asking similar questions like, how much water do I need to drink to lose weight? Then I heard a similar question is, do water make you lose weight? Very similar. So, for example, now you could use that information and you see 300 people, 1,000 people, 10,000 people asking the same question. You say, okay, I will address this, especially if this is your expertise. And you could address it by, again, written content or speaking face to camera or like an audio podcast style and give these contents because now all these hundreds or thousands of people who had this question in their mind and you help them answer it, they're now starting to listen to you more closer. They now become from cold to warm. They start to warm up to you more and they'll start to binge on all the contents you have, especially if you're addressing the content, I should say, the issues that they have. Always remember it's about them. So content is key. Content is king. Always remember that. So content. So the next thing you should address, we overlooked, is demonstrate that your service or your product will solve their problem. So if you're doing group training, one-on-one training, coaching, whatever it might be, you might even have a nutrition supplement line and all, but you should demonstrate how that service or product will help them with their problem. You might say it's really hard, it's challenging. I could demonstrate it best if they're at the gym or at the park. But for many, we are constrained right now and we may not be able to meet at homes or parks or gyms as we like. And that's being honest. People are fearful right now for even their own health and safety. The whole fitness business has changed overnight. You have to get grips with that. It's changed for good. Period. It ain't coming back no time soon. Believe in a lie, you'll just be shooting yourself in your foot. So demonstrate it. And demonstrating, you could use Zoom, you could use your phone, you could record something quickly demonstrating your services. If it's workout or nutrition coaching or you write PDF workout, you demonstrate how it will help them, how they have to do it, demonstrate it. And by you demonstrating your services and what makes it unique from others, you start to get people loving you more. So now they further trust you, right, with a content creation. Now you're demonstrating how your services will help. Again, how unique is your services from the others. Demonstrate it. Talk about it. Demonstrate in your house how you could do it. In the park, how you could do it. In the back of your yard, how you could do it. Do you need a kitchen? Demonstrate it. You could go live. You could do something pre-recorded and make it kind of clean. But you don't think about perfection. If you're stuck on perfection, you lost. Let me tell you, right now, imperfection and launching it out is better than being perfect. I heard a guy said that scrappy is the new perfect. And I think this is really true. You just need to get the content out. Don't think about the best lighting, the best cameras, nothing like that. Get the information out. Demonstrate it. So demonstration, that's number two. And last but not least, but for today, is create an offer they cannot refuse. Like unbeatable. When you're creating your offer, you're thinking about how much things could I give that could give more value than everybody else. How much things can I give that the person, when they hear it, they're like, wow, I need to get that now. You need to create a ton of value when you're creating an offer, but create an offer they cannot refuse. And by you doing these three things, again, creating good content continuously, once a day, I'll recommend. But you just get in the habit of just pumping out content. At least demonstrating your services and showing how your services can help their dire issue. And number three is creating an offer they cannot refuse. Now you don't need to sell anymore. You don't have to even think about selling because you walk them through these information, these touch points where they're starting to like you and trust you. They know what you're all about, and they see the offer. If they have any questions from then, all you may have to do is point them in the right direction. You may just have to tell them, hey, do you want to start this Monday or next week Monday? Because they're already pre-sold already. It's that simple. I've been using this forever. It's working for me a lot. I don't do any hard selling and like they say, I don't have time. I need to talk to my spouse. I don't have these issues because I address so much of the issues with content. So in return, when they do come to me, they're already sold in their mind. I hope this helped you out. I hope you're going to apply these simple strategies because when you apply it, you start to see a truckload of people. I'm talking about so much people that you'll start to have a problem. You may not be able to, at least at least I should say, you may not be able to handle all of them, and that's a good problem. So go ahead, apply these strategies, create content, create content, create content. Also demonstrate your services and how it could help their dire problem. And last but not least, create an offer they just can't refuse. Yeah, and that's it. Guys, I hope you enjoy Sales Monday. And each and every Monday, I will be here teaching you some little tidbit that you could apply now, like immediately, because I want you to apply these strategies we just talk about now. Apply it now. You have no time to waste. You have more time on your hand than ever before. Apply it now and see the results for yourself. Guys, as always, I hope you stay safe during this tough time and peace and success in your fitness business. I'll see you tomorrow.